Hi, today we are going to be taking an unboxing review of SCREECHERS WiLD Level 2 MONKEYWRENCH. So there's coatings to notice between a Level 1 and Level 2. And let's see if we can get them in here for a side-by-side comparison. Level 2, their boxes are bigger than Level 1 bots. So there's that. Also, they kind of got this gold going on back there while Level 1, I guess both of them has it. But you can definitely see the character better on Level 2 than on Level 1. Also, Level 1s, they only come with 2 Screecher discs. Level 2s come with 3 Screecher discs. And then there's also the price point. Level 1's about $6 price range, which is not too bad for Level 1. While Level 2s are about a $15 price range, which is like, yikes! Expensive. Like, why is this so much price? And there's another thing that's different between Level 1s and Level 2s. Level 1s look like a little car. Level 2s look square, bricky, boxy, like a truck. So Level 2s are kind of like tanks and trucks, while Level 1s are little race cars. There's that, just the difference. And then there's some more stuff that we're going to go into. So, SCREECHERS WiLD, the anime, the first one, it was weird, it was stupid, it was dumb, it was nonsense. So pretty much each episode will run about a max length of 3 minutes, which, oh my god, they needed to run it at least 7 minutes to probably like 10 or 12 minute long episodes. There's only about, I want to say something about 18 or 20 episodes. The episodes were just horrible. They needed more planning, more time on the drawing board to think up a better plot for it. There was no real character plot. So one episode would focus on MONKEYWRENCH, and then if next episode would focus on Nightweaver or Steamship or some other character. And wasn't really like focused on, it's like, here's 3 minutes, this is a character, okay, there you go. It wasn't really like, why is that character? Who is that character? Can you tell us a little bit more in depth? Give us a background, a history, a bio, something! They're like, nope, we're going to be vague, we're not going to tell you much. It just fell apart, the show just fell apart. Now the second version, the revived version, or the alternate version, was a little bit better. Actually, I just skipped ahead. So the original show, which you can find here on YouTube, pretty much you had creatures. So it'd be like, let's say a honey badger. The honey badger would be able to talk like perfect English. It could stand up on its 2 hind legs. It could wear like a vest and sunglasses and a necklace. It was able to drive a car. And the odd thing is, when it flew out these Screecher discs, the creature would actually merge and bond with the car, or truck, or whatever the vehicle is, which was kind of odd. And then they could talk. So yeah, it was just odd. Now the alternative version, which the alternative version of the show is, oh my god, way better, much more planned out, much more detailed, much more in depth with the characters, made it a lot more personal. Where it's like, yeah, I can understand that character. That's what happened in the episode. That's who that character is. That's why they're doing that. Way, way better. And again, you can catch that here on YouTube. So on that one, these Screechers, or as they call them in this new show, so the first version they called them Screechers and there's Screecher discs. In the second one, the alternative version, they're called Morph cars, or morphing cars. I know, but yeah. And the discs were like press discs or force discs, something like that they called them. So in the second version of the show, the cars, they were able to move on their own, and they could talk on their own to the human characters, but cartoon humans. And it was just a lot better. Which brings us to this next point. You might be saying, Bodoom, why you got a mech car there? Or a mech car mode? Now these ones are made by Alpha Toys. So Screecher's Wild is made by Alpha Toys. MechCar is made by Mattel. Alright. Now here's something else that's going on. MechCar or MechCar Tuner or MechCarmos, if you're using the Korean name, which actually MechCar and MechCar Tuners and MechCar, they were, you know, a Korean-based show. Yeah. So if you're looking at this thing, like, if you see one that says MechCarmo or MechCar Tuner, that's a Korean package. That's, you know, the first wave, the first package. This one says MechCar. It's a USA. It's an American package. That's the difference between MechCarmo or MechCar Tuner, Korean. MechCar, American. So apparently, Mattel and MechCar was trying to sue Screecher's Wild, which didn't make any sense because Screecher's Wild at the time was the one where the animals merged with the car. Now in their second form, or the alternative version, if MechCar and Mattel tried suing them, they could definitely have more of a right of suing them now. Because pretty much they kind of whipped off MechCar. Screecher's Wild whipped off MechCar, if you want to look that way. Why? Both are second vehicles, so the vehicles can move on their own. Both of them partner with, you know, anime humans. Both cars can transform into beasts, and they're big beasts and stuff, and they can talk and stuff. So all of them have the same thing, except for their transformation gimmicks. Morph cars or Screechers or Screecher's Wild use this to morph. While MechCar or MechCarmo or MechCar Tuner use cards to morph and transform. And the cards that MechCar or MechCar Tuner or MechCarmo, however you want to say it, the Korean or the American name, their cards are kind of like Bakugan. If you ever played Bakugan and you know that you have your Bakugan on those magnetic cards, that's what MechCarmo is. That. Also another little thing, that these ones, made by Alpha, Screecher's Wild, are actually a bootleg. Now I know what you're saying. How can one that's official license and have seal approval, like from Alpha Toys, be a bootleg? A knockoff, a KO, a bootleg, you know. Well, it is. Because if you want to log into this website called SCREECHERS.com, they were actually selling Screecher's Wild before Screecher's Wild came out by Alpha. So Sir Toys, their versions were called, I always forget the first part. Crash Fly Car or something like that. I can't remember what the first part of the game was. But it's something Fly Car. Bang Fly Car? Boom? I can't remember what the first part of it was, but it's something Fly Car. Okay? They were exactly the same as these, except if you don't know what SirToys.com is, they're kind of like a third-party company type of website, where when you buy their products, they're not going to come in this nice butcher box with artwork on the back or on the front and sides. They're going to come in like a brown cardboard box, a brown paper envelope. They're going to come in just bubble wrap, so the package could just come just in bubble wrap by itself. There is no instructions on there, so you gotta go and figure things out on your own and stuff. But Screecher's, well, not Screecher's Wild, but you know, the Sir Toys one, they have discs there, 99 cents. They don't look like these discs. They look almost like a 3D printed disc. They're 99 cents. Those are kind of what you call a practice disc. Then they actually do sell for $1.99 the actual Screecher disc there. But of course, they don't call them Screechers. They call them something Fly Car. I can't remember what the first part is, but you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Now the only difference between those and these, those ones, you do get multicolored discs in there, and you get a sticker sheet. So you do have to actually take the stickers off and apply the stickers to the disc yourself. Well, you know, Alpha, their Screecher Wild, already has the stickers pre-applied to the disc. That's the only difference. And you know, you can buy the disc separately for $1.99. While these, you get what you get with them. Also, level 1 and level 2 and some accessory sets is all that they sell in stores. If you want to get level 3 Screechers for Screecher Wild, you have to go online to Amazon. And Amazon is the only one that has level 3 exclusive edition Screechers. Wild Screechers, you know. So level 3, you have to get on Amazon and they're exclusive. They're not going to be in Target, they're not going to be in Walmart. That's the only way to get level 3 Screechers. Yeah, so all that will be linked down below in the description. The Amazon, the SCREECHERS.com, the Alpha website for Screecher Wild, all free, link down below in the description. Just, you know, scroll down and you'll find it. So yeah, let's open this up and see what it looks like. And actually, before I tear too much of the box, let's tear it at the back. So it tells you vehicle. Actually, my battery on my camera is about to die, so I'm going to make this as fast as I can. Vehicle, 360 flip, and Morph, Creature, you know, AlphaToys.com. There's Smokey. There's REViEW. There's a looks like J-Heart, but it's not J-Heart. I think that's Steam Chef, judging by it, or something like that. But yeah, watch Screechers Wild on YouTube, obviously. If you've seen both shows, definitely stick with the second one. The second one's way better. Also, they come out with these little